Welcome to Meals of the Week, what our family has had for dinner this week. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. My name is Jennifer, and in today's video, we are going to share what we've had for dinner every night of the week. And I'm actually shooting this on Valentine's Day, so we're gonna go back in time to see what we've had, and tonight's dinner will be the pièce de résistance. Just a side note, I shot this very realistically. I just shot my dinner. There's no professional lighting and there's noise in the background, but I thought that you would still find what we had for dinner interesting. I always find these videos interesting and they always give me new ideas. So I would love to hear from you and what you and your family have enjoyed eating for dinner lately. All right, let's go back in time and see what we had for dinner. Okay, so today we're having a giant Cobb salad, and my oldest daughter actually assembled the whole thing. So it has cucumber, it has turkey, it has bacon, it has egg, cherry tomato, blue cheese, avocado, and romaine lettuce. So we will have this with our salad dressing of choice and then some ice cream for dessert. Okay, the kids aren't here, so today we're just having another light salad actually. This is smoked herring, avocado, cherry tomato, apple, cucumber, and I think that's it, on top of romaine lettuce. Oh no, there's blue cheese sprinkles in here as well. And I mixed it all with champagne vinaigrette. And that is what we are having tonight. Today we are having enchiladas. So I made beef enchiladas. They're packed with veggies and sour cream on the tops with some salsa and some avocado. And that is what we are having today. Okay, so this may not look like much, and it actually might not look very appetizing either, but this is something that we have often, and it's one of our favorite dishes. It's a pantry staple, so when I'm out of a lot of fresh things, this is what we will have, but it's basically a tuna pasta salad. So I have pasta here, and I have tuna, mayonnaise, I have olives, pickles, I have cucumber, I normally add apple, but we're totally out, and I have caramelized onions. And whatever is in this tends to change based on what we have. Sometimes I'll put corn or something sweet like an apple, and you mix it all together with some mayonnaise and some garlic salt, and it is perfection. So that is what I am having today for lunch. I will probably have just a very light dinner tonight. All right, so everybody else is having pasta, and I did not feel like having pasta, so I'm just having the salad that they had, but just lots of it with some garlic bread. And that's what I'm having tonight. So sometimes I do that if I'm feeding them a heavy casserole or something and I don't want it. I usually always feed them a salad as well, so I'll just have heaps of that salad instead. And that is what is for dinner tonight. Okay, and tonight we are having a pot roast that was made in the slow cooker with some onions, and I just have some julienne, zucchinis, and pears. I know that's kind of random, but that's what I'm having tonight. I'm sorry about the lighting. This is just the lighting in the house, so it might not look that bright, but this is one of my favorite meals. I just put some of that dry onion soup mix inside after I sear the chuck roast on the stove with some flour. I could probably do a video about it because I make pot roast all the time. Okay, tonight I am having brown rice with a vegetable stir fry and a miso sauce, and this was just a little kit that I picked up at Trader Joe's. So it's a vegetarian meal for dinner tonight. And I like all the colorful veggies here, like the purple cabbage. And the baby needs me now, so I'm going to go. Okay, it's Valentine's Day, everyone, and we are steaming some crabs. So we've got some crabs steaming in here, and some potatoes going in the oven. So I'll show you the finished product in just a moment. Pièce de résistance is the steamed crab with lemon butter sauce, potatoes au gratin, and asparagus. And this is for Valentine's Day.
Delicious.
So happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more meals of the week. Thanks for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur, and I will see you next time. Bye.